We have come here with a vision. Maybe you have heard that we have started a project which is called river restoration in Bangladesh. Under that project, we will be having some initiatives for river restoration, for ecological restoration, and at the same time for economic development. So initially, we will be having some development projects surrounding the Dhaka rivers, and then we'll move to the rivers of Bangladesh. So here we have come to learn that how especially the Yellow River and Yangtze River has been restored, and at the same time we wanted to understand how they have comprehensively made the plan, including policy reforms, governance, economic activities and so on. During the last 2 days we were having some insights from the ministers of water resources and ecological department, and we could understand that they have transformed these two rivers into economic reality. In fact, we were trying to understand how they organized the whole process. The main learning is they have had many reforms, including policy reforms and economic reforms. And at the same time, they have created more opportunities for the people, especially to have better water, better environment. So which we have learned a lot for the ecological balance and economic balance.